Wonderful people, great people of Biafra, great people and lovers of freedom all over the world, great women and men of good conscience. How are you all doing today? I hope you are great. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button. It will turn gray and you will put on your notification bell so you will get notified anytime we upload this electrifying, informative, educative, eye-opening videos. That is the reason we are called Umu Chineke. It is not everyone that answers that name Umu Chineke. It is special and only for Umu Biafra, Umu Chineke, the children of light, the children of God. Our common resolve is Biafra, total freedom and sovereignty state restoration. Any other option, uncircumcised Fulani militia, is not a match to Biafran men. Just take a look at this heavy health, gallant legendary of Biafra securities. May God give you all maximum divine security. You shall triumph over all your enemies. He say, last, oh. Almost here Biafra. So I'll let you watch this video. This is our brothers and sisters in far back home. So all of us, one day we want to go back home. Myself, I want to go back home very, very soon. So watch, like, share in any platform, share on WhatsApp, share on Signal, share on Facebook, on Instagram. Let this message be preached across everywhere in the world. Remember, the goal is creating awareness for Biafra restoration. All hail Biafra. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already.
As you can see, this is in Lions Sport Anambra. Today we are live and direct at the Nnewi. We stopped in the street of Nnewi today